Hello Twitch and hello YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me here in this unboxing video. And yeah, so everyone knows here already that I was recently sponsored. I was recently sponsored by SpeedCubeShop, and yeah, I received a package from SpeedCubeShop today. Actually, I was expecting to receive it 2 days from now, but it arrived 2 days earlier, so that's really amazing. How did you get sponsored? Oh, that's a really good question. So if you notice the title of this stream and this YouTube video, the title is did you notice it? The title is Beans Ambassador. Yeah, so actually that is a mistake. Beans Ambassador is not meant to be Beans Ambassador, but Brand Ambassador. And it's really embarrassing that I emailed SpeedCubeShop and then I told them about being a Beans Ambassador. And then I realized that, oh, it's not supposed to be beans, it's brand. Yeah, so I immediately sent them a message that, oh, I meant brand. Yeah, actually the mistake came from Cameron. I think Cameron had a typo while I was exchanging messages with him on Instagram. So long story short, I sent Beans Instagram application, Beans Ambassador application to SpeedCubeShop, and fortunately it didn't affect my application. And yeah, I got accepted. And now here's the package. I think there will be another one that will be arriving soon. But yeah, I'm just really so excited to open this one right now. So let's open it, guys. I hope I will not damage it. Yeah, I won't be able to damage it because I think I can just pull this, right? No. Let's cut it. It says to open, lift tab, and pull quickly. Let's try to follow that. Odie, congratulations. Thank you so much, Odie. Yeah, I'm doing it now, Lichin. Oh, okay. That's a successful way to open it. Thank you, FedEx, for delivering it before the expected date. Thank you so much. So let's have the first one. I think some of you guys already know what's inside, especially the other Beans Ambassador or Brand Ambassador of SpeedCubeShop. They already know what's inside. But thank you so much for joining me. So the first one, wow, it's a really shiny, glassy cube stand with, of course, SES logo, SpeedCubeShop over there. I love this. It really has a colored logo over there. I hope you can see it clearly, guys. Yeah. So I think this will be really useful when I take Instagram photos. So we got, okay, I will bring them out both at the same time. Of course, we have the SES cube bags. Which one do you like better, guys? The black one or the white one? Yeah, personally, actually I love the white one also. But personally, I love the black one. I'm a black person. Yeah, I usually wear black, and I really love black so much. And yeah, maybe I will use black most of the time outside, and the white one at home. Both of them has the SES logo, so both of them are really, really cool. Yeah. And another cube stand. Yeah, again, thank you so much, SES, for sending this stuff to me. Thank you so much. I really love them. Yeah, another stand. Yeah, and I really love that they put their logo. We have the Lunar Lube, and actually I'm really looking forward to this because I just learned from another Instagrammer earlier, or it was last night. Yeah, that the Lunar Lube is actually good for any types of Rubik's Cube. So you can never go wrong with the Lunar Lube from SES. So I'm really excited to use it. Yeah. So if you're not so sure what type of lube you want to get, guys, just get the Lunar one. You can never go wrong with that one. And this is my favorite one. Finally! I have my own cube box. So my cube box for 5 years now will have to retire. Thank you so much for serving me for 5 years. Unfortunately, you will have to retire now because I have a really cool box now. A really cool cube box now from SES, of course. SpeedCubeShop. It's a cube sticker. Yeah, maybe you cannot see it clearly, guys, but yeah, it's an SES sticker. Of course, I will be using that for my cubes. Also for Instagram. The spooky specials, the Halloween specials of SES. If you guys didn't get it yet, yeah, you should get it. I think it's a collectible item. I really want to have these bags also, but I think they are limited edition. And unfortunately, it's not Halloween anymore. So I will not have a chance anymore. But if you still have a chance, guys, yeah, don't forget to use the discount code GEO or GEO, yeah, to get a discount when you buy from SES or when you order your cubes, puzzles, or any cubing accessories from SES. Don't forget to use GEO, discount code GEO. Another small one, another SES sticker, and probably I will be using this one instead of the other one. Yeah, I love this one. Yes, I will put this immediately on my cubes or my mains. And the last one, last but not the least, and for this package, because I think that there will be another one arriving soon. Yeah, so ta-da! It's an umbrella! No, just kidding, it's not an umbrella. It's a cubing mat. Yeah, so it's a mat. So I think I'm going to open it for you guys so that you will see the design. Yeah, I really love the design. I think this is the lava mat. I'm not so sure. Is it called the lava or magma? I forgot. But yeah, you can just check the SpeedCubeShop store. You just have to type SpeedCubeShop.com and yeah, you can check all their products there. Yeah, so let's open this amazing umbrella. Okay. Perfect. It's so perfect. Thank you so much, SpeedCubeShop. Yes, I think I will have to make some adjustments. Yeah, but you can see it clearly, guys. Yeah, I will have to fix my table, yeah, so that it will fit my table. So that's it, and that's our unboxing for today, and hopefully you can join me on my next unboxing video. Again, don't forget to support SpeedCubeShop if you want to support a YouTuber, if you want to support me, if you want to support the channel. Don't forget to use GEO, discount code GEO, and support SpeedCubeShop. Thank you so much. I think that's it. See you next time. See you next stream. And happy cubing. Should I end it now?